everybody, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, it's going to be a video for beginners, for card makers, that because few people have emailed me saying, okay, I love what you're doing, but I'm a beginner. I don't have a lot of materials. I don't have dies. I don't have a die cutting machine. So could you make a video doing something very simple that I could find almost not already done, but kind of? So I came up with this idea that you don't have to have a lot of materials when you want to start, but you could still do beautiful cards and handmade cards. So what I thought about was using die cuts images, because you can make wonderful cards without breaking your bank, and it's going to really be very nice. But I want to show you how to use these. So I've got already some die cuts here. So whatever the brand is, it's really not important. And you have different dies, different pieces of paper that are already cut, die cuts. So the only thing you need to do here is just take your piece of paper, and as you can see, they're already pre-cut for you, and you only need to detach these from your paper. And sometimes you've got like this one here, 2 or 3, even 4 images where you can stack them up, but you can also use these images separately. You don't have to use them all 4 at once. So right now I'm just going to show you an easy way. In my next video, I'm going to show you how can you really stack up images like 5, 6 layers differently if you have maybe 10 pieces in your hands. And it's really interesting because especially with flowers, it makes your card so real, like a real bouquet. I'm just going to show you one. No, I don't have it here. So anyway, it will be for my next video. Don't worry about that. So what I'm going to use here, and I've already pre-cut mine, is I already made my card base, and I'm going to use a dark purple because my images are quite light. And let me come and zoom in a little bit. There we go. So this image was pre-cut, and what I did here, because I'm not going to put too many layers, is that I just put some double-sided tape, 3D foam on the back, because I don't want this to lie too flat on my card. But you will see it's very easy. You don't even have to cut anything. Just use the way it is, and I'm going to center it, but on kind of the top of my card, because I'm going to put something underneath. There you go, very easy. And I also took a butterfly because I want to put my butterfly just on top of this one. It's really simple. And I'm going to kind of fold this butterfly. So when people are going to open it from the envelope, it's going to tend to stick out. I have a little piece of paper here that wasn't pre-cut very nicely. I'm going to take it away because it bothers me. Okay, I just put one piece of foam tape, and I'm just going to put it now on top. And there you have it. So you see, if you can hide very easily your piece of foam. You don't really see it. Don't put it too close to the edge, because that's where you're going to see your foam. But look at this. You can see it here. Of course, if I do this, you see it better. But nobody's really going to look underneath like that. And I also have another image. There it is. So I'm going to put my foam here. And I also had this die cut. So it's these 3 flowers that I'm going to put exactly on top. And it's going to make a very nice 3D card without using much. So you don't have to spend a lot of money because it's already beautiful as is. And I wanted to show you something else. In this case, on each page, I've got these little drawings that are not pre-cut, but I'm going to use them. You see, I've got one every time, and these are not cut individually or even in a line. So what I have done is that I cut them already, and this is what I have done here. So I just cut a piece of them and I cut it into a banner. And now what I'm going to do again is use some foam double-sided tape, and I'm just going to put maybe 3 of them here. You don't need much. And I'm going to take the backing of it just because I want to put a little extra on my card. And I'm going to put it, do I center it? Yeah, I might just put it right here. And there you go, your card is finished. I think I'm a little too close. There you go. Your card is finished. Look at that. It was so easy. It's just made in a few minutes. This only cost me $1.99 for the images. I have another example. It's about the same price for even more images. Don't look at these. You can make, it's handmade. Okay, you didn't draw it or even cut it, but nobody knows. And you can make something absolutely cute. You could even put a little image on here. And if you have extra die cuts, you could also embellish, but don't put foam on it. But you could also decorate your envelope. So it's going to give the people a little hint about what's inside. And I like to decorate my envelopes as well. So there you go. Very quick tutorial on how to use die cuts. Just do 2 or 3 layers in this case as a beginner. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can stack even more images on top of each other, little tricks to avoid and what not to do. But it's really, really nice. It's easy. This one is really girly, but you can do the same thing for a man with themes of cars, boats, or whatnot. So very, very simple. If you'd like this video, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share on social media. Thank you very much. See you soon. Take care. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.